second. Okay, the height of the plane above its starting point is h, so height is h. It is given that h is partly whereas direct as t. Okay, the partly, so we can set up h is equal to k1t, and partly whereas direct as square of t, so it's plus another part is t squared. So when t equal to 1, h equal to 12. So the first equation you can write down is 12 equal to k1 plus k2. And the second part, when t equal to 3, h equal to 24. H equal to 24. So we write down 24 is equal to 3k1 plus k2 times 3 squared. So it's 24 equal to 3k1 plus 9k2. After you solving these two equations, you can get after solving 1 and 2, you can get k1 is 14 and k2 is negative 2. So h is equal to 14t minus 2t squared. So I rearrange the order, is negative 2t squared plus 14t. This is first part, and second part when h is 24, find the range of value. So that means it must be in equality sign. Okay, so h is greater than 24. So when h is greater than 24, that means negative 2t squared plus 14t greater than 24. Okay, remember this is a quadratic inequality. Okay, so that means I just move to the right hand side, all of it is 0. And then we don't forget to draw a graph. It is because it's the coefficient of t squared is negative, so it's crime. So after you sketch the curve, you can find the root is 3 and 4. So as second one is greater than 0, so we need just want the upper part. So draw the conclusion. It should be so t should be between 3 and 4. Okay, so that's the end of part B. And for part C, can the height of the paper plane above exceed 25 cm? So in this question is asking us the maximum value of h. So we need to find maximum value of h. As we know, h is equal to negative 2t squared plus 14t. I try to find the maximum of h by computing square. So by computing square, okay, h is equal to take a negative 2 and t squared minus 7t. And next step is t squared minus 2 times 3.5 t, and I will write down plus 3.5 square and minus 3.5 square. So after that, h is equal to negative 2 and t minus 3.5 square, and then minus negative 2 and then 3.5 square. So h is equal to negative 2 times this one and plus 24.5. So maximum height is 24.5 meter, which does not exceed 25 meters. Okay, that's the end of question number 3.